Hey girl, let's have a grown woman conversation. Okay. If you ever felt like you are running a business that just to keep up with trends, timelines, and TikTok this video, yeah, this is for you. I'm Sharrita, and today I'm telling you exactly why I stopped or stepped off of the social media hamster wheel and how I'm doing less actually helped me to build more. So let's get into it. I talk to so many women and they have this same feeling too, but just don't know how to go about it. And I know that you have that feeling too. You know, when you wake up, the first thing you do is grab your phone and immediately think, what do I need to post today? That used to be me too, girl. Me too. It's not inspirational. That's obligation, and it doesn't matter how many likes you get. It still feels like you are behind. You're constantly on the hamster wheel. I lived in that space for a very, very long time, trying to post every day, trying to stay consistent, trying to beat the algorithm. Now I'm learning to make the algorithm work for me. Okay. So here's the truth. I was really building a brand I didn't even want to maintain. Come on. We're being honest today. It was so exhausting. It was so noisy. And the worst of it all, it wasn't producing consistent income, just content. Okay. Come on now. Am I just talking to myself? Actually, leaving that wheel required me to have a mindset shift. Okay. The one that said, I don't owe the algorithm anything, but I do owe myself peace. I owe myself purpose. I owe myself profit. And I had to really get honest about myself. Okay. I wasn't building a business. I was babysitting my content. You know, soon as you post, you going to see who liked it. You actually going to actually see who liked it. Going to check to see who watch your stories. Those type of things. That's truly not the soft life I signed up for. I don't know about you, but it's not for me. And as a grown woman, I had to admit that sometimes I was the one standing in my own way. Believing that I had to show up everywhere, every day to be worthy of success. That belief, girl, it had to go immediately. So I made a decision. No more creating content just to stay visible. Okay. No more chasing validation through likes, through shares. No more being led by the noise. Okay. I essentially had to create my own noise. I had to get noisy with myself. I had to come in the clarity to say, Sharrita, what do you want? What do you want? What can you maintain in this season? What do you want to maintain in the future? So I didn't just think about my right now, right? That's not what we do as grown women. We plan, we strategize, not just for right now, but what does this look like in the future? Okay. Can I maintain this later? All right. So that's the thinking that I had to have. And that's why I love showing up on YouTube every single day. I love bringing value here every single day. I don't have a problem showing up here every single day. So when I talk about soft life, that means my focus in order for me to create this soft life business, I had to have a extra amount of focus. That means I'm not binge watching other people's YouTube channels. Now, I do have a few YouTube channels that I absolutely love that I'm subscribed to. Absolutely. But I'm talking about if I'm going to look at a video, we on our grown woman, right? So when I look at a video, it's not to adapt what they are saying. It's for me to get what I need out of that video for where I am now. So that does not mean I'm scrolling through different videos just to get validation about or get confirmation for what God said for me. Okay. It does not mean I'm scrolling through videos to get more and more information. No, we're not in that season. Okay. We know what we want. All right. And we know that God works through people, right? So he's going to use people, especially on this platform, to, dash the algorithm so that I can get what I need. So that's why it's no accident that you see this video. It's no accident that you subscribe to my YouTube channel. It's no accident that you see my content every single day. It's not an accident. I know, yeah, it's algorithm, but it's not an accident. That's not how, that's how it works. Okay. So we're in this as grown women because we are wanting to build that soft life business. We got to be focused. Okay. You got to have some focus. Here's what I decided for me. I chose Digital Profits U. It's a ready-made digital marketing education business. All the pieces are done for me so I could just show up and sell. And I also chose Profitable Publishers Collective. I'm a book girl. I love writing books. Books is where it's at as well. That's where I guide other women to create short, powerful, mini her books that sell with strategy and not burnout. These models work for me because they are heavily rooted in ease, in automation, in peace, in purpose, and in the kind of business that actually loves you back. Listen, girlfriend, if you are tired of content creation being your full-time job, if you want income, not just influence, because there's a difference, okay? You deserve to build a business that allows you to work smarter, to sell with intention, and to live life, your life, the way you want it. Okay. This is your permission. Unplug from that pressure and plug into the profit. Okay. Decide, decide today that you want to do this, okay? But you got to have focus, okay? So if you're ready to explore what this looks like for you, I want you to join me on a peaceful, no pressure info call. This is where I show you the two paths. I'm also going to show you behind the scenes and what they both look like, okay? So I want you to be able to see yourself in either one of these or both. There's some women that do both, like me. Okay. We do this with ease. They do it both. They write in their books. They're out here learning digital marketing, implementing digital marketing. Did you know that I'm doing digital marketing right now? Yes. Okay. And they're selling the education. You can build a business just selling education, and you don't have to sell the education that you know. Okay. Now, yes, you're going to come in, you're going to learn it, but you don't have to create the videos. You don't have to create the things. It's already done. You just have to purchase, plug into it, and let's go. And come up here and show up on platforms that you love. Okay. I personally love YouTube. YouTube is my spot. I have no problem focusing in on YouTube. Yes, I have profiles on these other social media, but I have those profiles for personal reasons. Okay. But I like to, go check on my friends and things like that, but I'm not obligated to be there to show up as so I can sell. There's a big difference. If you're like Sharlrita, girl, I don't even need the call. Just let me in now. I put the links in the description as well. You get to choose. Come on and join me today, okay? Because it's time. We're in our grown woman energy now, okay? We don't let anything get in our way, including ourselves, okay? We don't do that. We make decisions, we move in clarity, and we're ready to go, okay? So all the links in my description. I hope that you enjoyed this video and it gave you a kick in the butt that you needed and the validation that you needed, that you do not have to be everywhere to make an impact or make money. You can make money being on one platform, being very prolific on that one platform, and that's all you do. And I promise you, you can make $100,000. You can make $5,000, $10,000 every month if you want. Here's the best part about all of this. Let's step back for a minute. The best part about all of this, you get to call the shots. You get to call the shots. You get to call the shots. You get to say what it's going to be. You get to say it. I say that every day. You get to say, and you move accordingly. Okay. So I'll see you in the next video. Oh, don't forget to like, go ahead and subscribe. All right. Hit that notification bell so when I upload a new video, you'll be the first to know. Okay. Now for real, girl. I'll see you in the next video. I really want to see you on that info call. All right. Let's go. Let's get it. Bye.